Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Kurmas are very interesting because of all those nice special flavors. So today I'm going to share a wonderful white kurma recipe. It's called Vella Kurma in Tamil Nadu and you can have it with chapati, poori, appam, idiyappam and all kinds of mildly flavored tiffins. This is a perfect side dish and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started and check it out. First I'm going to make a masala paste for the kurma. To the mixer jar, add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Next add about 10 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom. Add water as required to get that nice fine paste consistency. The masala paste is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep this aside. I have all the vegetables for making the kurma here. To a nice wide kadai, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, add all the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, stone flour, a piece of mace and bay leaf. Next, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 5 large green chilies slit. You can adjust the green chilies according to your taste. So if you like it more spicy, you can add more green chilies. So after 3 minutes, add the potatoes first. So I've taken 1 cup of chopped potato pieces, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of chopped beans and 1 cup of fresh green peas. Mix all the vegetables and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add a teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Don't add too much of ginger garlic paste, just 1 teaspoon will do. It will give a nice flavor to the kurma. Next, add a teaspoon of salt and mix that in. Next, add about 2 cups of water to cook the vegetables. Close the kadai and let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, you can see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. So now I'm going to add the coconut and cashew masala paste. So add the paste and mix everything well along with the vegetables. So after 2 minutes, just add a little water to get a nice gravy consistency. So after adding the coconut cashew paste, check for seasoning, and if you need salt, you can always add a little bit. Now close the kadai and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the vegetable kurma is coming together beautifully. The aroma is just amazing. So I'm just going to finish off by adding a few fresh curry leaves. The vegetable kurma is done. You can serve it nice and hot with some nice chapatis by the side. Let me tell you, this is a perfect side dish, very quick and easy to make, and it's extremely delicious. You can enjoy it with chapatis, puris, idli, dosa, idiyappam, appam. It goes with everything very well. I'll give you a couple of other links for other gravies and curries that I've made earlier. You can check them out as well. This kurma tastes heavenly and I would say this is a must try, guys. So just in case you're not up to having any spicy curries, I would definitely recommend this for you. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Do try, enjoy and share with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.